Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how to make money as a personal trainer. So make sure to watch the full video. Starting a career as a personal trainer is a good first step, but the real challenge will be to earn a living as one. The right strategy makes all the difference. Successful personal trainers use great tactics to bring in the most money possible. If your method is limited to selling sessions in bulk to your clients, this will not be enough. There are many versatile opportunities to earn a living as a personal trainer, fitness instructor, or sports coach. Training sessions might be your initial offering, but there is so much more to the business beyond that. Not only can you increase your revenue in general, but also diversify your income. This makes your business more stable, even in a fluctuating economy. 1. Continue your education. There are many classes that will better qualify you in the fitness industry. Nutrition, yoga, Pilates, and Q/choreography workshops can train you in new skills. Becoming accredited by the National Exercise Trainers Association, NETA, is also worthwhile. This bonus education on your part will help to refine your technique and expand your business offerings. They also provide the chance to scope out your competition. By becoming a customer, you'll learn the going rate for classes and other personal trainers' marketing strategies. You may find a business tactic that benefits you more than the classes themselves. Also, if you're visiting a new country and planning to stay there for a few months or more, you should learn to speak the local language of the country. This will enable you to get clients or join a gym as a trainer. 2. Acquire a specialty. Once you've advanced your education, you can leverage that newfound knowledge to make your business stand out. Your qualifications can increase the rarity and value of the services you provide. The more qualified you are, the more your time is worth. There may be personal trainers who can conduct a yoga class, but if you become trained in the art of Bikram yoga, then you can offer something few others can. There are lots of strength trainers, but being certified as a high-intensity interval training (HIIT) instructor is much more valuable to clients. Use your education and expertise to specialize yourself to increase your value. 3. Use membership programs. If you only provide booked sessions, it leaves you vulnerable to cancellations. You'll also have to consistently remind clients about payments. To resolve these issues, consider implementing a membership business model. The various membership tiers could range from weekly, monthly, or quarterly plans. Online payment would be ideal for customer convenience. The easier it is for your customer to make payments, the more likely they will. This model results in fewer cancellations and greater commitment from your clients. Even if they cancel, the membership subscription guarantees that you'll have consistent income. 4. Sell online courses. People are busy. They want to learn and train at their own pace and on their own schedule. An online fitness trainer is ideal for them. You should cater to that need by offering online courses. This is an attractive option for the large segment of customers who prefer working out at home. You can tap into that audience by creating a subscription that gives them access to daily online workouts. 5. Host workshops. Workshops are an excellent option for well-established personal trainers. It allows you to tap further into your dedicated following of clientele. Workshops are multi-day events where your clients participate every day. They train with you and receive a certificate when it is complete. Your workshop should have a targeted focus. Aim for a specific group of people and hone in on a specific area of your training program. For example, how to maintain fitness goals after childbirth. You must provide detailed information on the subject matter. If you succeed in providing value for your client, they will be more likely to subscribe to your other fitness programs. 6. Offer in-home training. Personal trainers get their name for a reason. One-on-one lessons are some of the most lucrative options to earn good money. Any client that hires a fitness coach for in-home lessons will be willing to pay more for that convenience. This means you'll be able to charge more than you would for clients at the gym. You also won't need to share any of your earnings with the host facility. Along with that higher price, you need to provide top-tier service. Keep your clientele happy with routines and workouts that will achieve their goals. After all, finding and retaining this type of client is all about the quality you offer. If your business is exemplary, you will get many referrals. 7. Conduct boot camps. Many personal training clients can't afford one-on-one lessons. Boot camps allow your business to offer something to them and obtain more clients. The rates for boot camps are low, and the workouts are done as a group. The price for a boot camp should range between 15 to 30% of a standard lesson. A group lesson means group rates. It's best to take payment upfront to avoid any delays in payment for your services. On average, one of these sessions will last 45 minutes to 1 hour. You could even have several boot camps per day. However, to really leverage this model, you must invest more in marketing. You need large numbers to sustain boot camps. Especially if you host your boot camp at a rented facility, you must be careful to keep your expenses in check. Consider rental fees and equipment costs when determining your price. 8. Provide personalized workouts and meal plans. Nutrition is a key factor for your clients to meet their fitness goals, lose weight, and stay healthy. Tailoring meal plans for your clients is convenient for them and opens up extra income for you. Your clients will be happy that you provide yet another necessary service in your industry. Meal plans and workouts are not one size fits all. Every client has different needs and circumstances. Some can lose weight by changing their diet habits, but others have to include daily exercise to slim down. Tailored workout and meal plans that are designed around each client's unique needs and goals are ideal. 9. Launch an app. For established personal trainers still looking to expand, a fitness app is well worth considering. It scales up your business in ways in-person training can't and adds further value for your customers. The easiest solution is to hire a freelancer to build it for you. However, if you're eager to learn new skills, there are many in-depth guides to building apps. An app helps the clients you work with in person by providing them a way to subscribe, pay, or access content. It also opens up your business to a worldwide audience that you could never have reached otherwise. 10. Write eBooks. Online fitness training is only successful by creating engaging content. It must be informative and answer your audience's questions. eBooks are one of the best ways to distribute that content online. If you already keep a fitness blog, it's easy to repurpose that content into an ebook format. Now more than ever, the ebook industry is easy to break into. Huge amounts of people are consuming ebooks on devices like Kindle every day. The books themselves will earn you money through sales, but they can also funnel new clients to your personal training business. Promoting your book will rely on a variety of marketing methods. Utilize your website, email newsletters, and social media to make the biggest impact. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.